Good morning students, I am going to explain next concept, chemical equilibrium or equilibrium in chemical process. Equilibrium in chemical process, that means in a process, it is generally these are the reversible reactions. Generally these are a reversible process or reversible reactions. Now in this one, always rate of forward direction is equal to rate of backwards. For example, in a reactions, reactants change to product, and this one first one, the reactant concentration always decrease, the product concentration is always increase. Now we can draw the graph like this. It is the concentrations. Now the concentration of reactant always decrease, the product always increase. After sometimes they attain their equilibrium. It is, we can write as equilibrium. The concentration they attain after sometimes, here in this case equilibrium. In second case also similarly, the rate of forward direction, it is also concentration and equilibrium. The rate of concentration of reactants always decrease and concentration of product always increase. In this case they attain equilibrium. Now in this case also they attain the equilibrium. Now in this process the equilibrium established between the first condition, that is they are composed, they should be reversible reactions, and second one, they should be in a closed vessel, and third one is they should be at constant temperature. This composite we have to maintain, then only the equilibrium will be established. Now in the equilibrium, at equilibrium both rate of forward direction is equal to rate of backward direction, then it is called as dynamic in nature or dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic in nature or dynamic in equilibrium. Now dynamic nature means chemical equilibrium can be destroyed the system, the ammonia process, that is N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. It is the rate of forward direction. The rate of forward direction is equal to rate of backward direction. This is dynamic, one side direction and second two directional, that is dynamic in nature. Now in this case also we can write the graph. The concentration, it is a time rate. The concentration of hydrogen always decrease, concentration of nitrogen also decrease, but concentration of NH2 is increase. After some time they attain the year-to-year equilibrium, they are equal, there are no change in the reaction, that is called as equilibrium attains. Equilibrium will be attains. Now what is the characteristics of the equilibrium? And the rate of forward direction is equal to rate of backward direction. It is a dynamic in nature. These properties such as pressure, concentration, density, color remains unchanged with the time. No change. The catalyst does not alter the state of equilibrium. It only speed up alternate the equilibrium. And also the equilibrium delta G is always 0. Then established, the chemical equilibrium can be established for after side of the reversible reactions only. The concentration of reactant and product unchanged with the time. These are called as. And types of reactions: homogeneous equilibrium and heterogeneous equilibrium. Homogeneous homogeneous equilibrium. Homogeneous equilibrium. Homogeneous equilibrium. It meant nothing but if the reactant and product are in same phase at equilibrium. At equilibrium, it is called as homogeneous equilibrium. See the examples. H2 plus I2 gives rise to 2HI. The gas, it is a gas, reactant or gas, and the product also gas. Then it is called as homogeneous. The phase is gas, gas, gas at equilibrium. At equilibrium. At equilibrium. Now second example. N2 plus 3H2 gas, it is also gas to form 2NH, ammonia also will form, that is also gas. It is also at equilibrium. It is also at equilibrium. These are our same phase, they are gaseous phase. Now one more example, that is CH3 COOH plus C2H5OH. These are the liquids. They can form C2H5CO CH3 CH3COO C2H5 plus H2. These are the also liquid state. Now they all are liquid. Rate of reactant state, physical state is liquid, product also liquids at equilibrium. At equilibrium, this is also homogeneous equilibrium. Next one, that is I'm going to explain, that is second one is heterogeneous equilibrium. Heterogeneous equilibrium. If what does it mean by heterogeneous equilibrium? If the reactants and product are not in same phase, they are not same phase, at least one different phase is there. Now see for example, there is calcium carbonate. It is a solid at equilibrium in the closed vessel. There should be calcium oxide is a solid, carbon dioxide is gas. At equilibrium, this is one different phase. This solid and gas, they are different phase. Next one, it is in also these are the reactions are completely processed in closed vessel only. NH4HS, it changed to NH3 plus H2S. It is a gas. It is also gas, but it is solid. They are different phase. Reactant product, they are different phase. Then it is also heterogeneous equilibrium. It is also heterogeneous equilibrium. One more, that is next example, that is nickel is a solid plus 4 moles of carbon monoxide to form nickel CO is a 4 complex will form the gas. It is a solid and gas, they are also different phase. It is also called as heterogeneous equilibrium. These are also heterogeneous equilibrium. Means the reactant and product they are different in phase. They are not in the same phase, they are different phase. Is called as heterogeneous equilibrium. And law of mass action at equilibrium constant. What does it mean by law of mass action at equilibrium? Now the law of mass action was